Hi, it's Brittany from the Pray and welcome back to my channel. Today is a special different kind of video. So for the Marathon Society, for like a holiday video, we're doing 30-minute time slots. So normally we do hour time slots, and we've been doing the Marathon Society for like 2 years now. We have some awesome plans for next year. I'm really excited. I've gotten to take a little bit more of like a leadership planning role there. So that's cool. I'm looking forward to next year. Also, I feel like I don't normally just sit and talk during a video, so ignore me. Anyways, what we're gonna do today is kind of like a holiday gift sort of vibe. So I just wrapped up my 13 days of Christmas series. It ended the day before this video, so it's kind of like a bonus day 14, and I was trying to figure out what to do because I just did 13 projects. So I decided, no, I debated recapping my 13 days of Christmas. I thought about going over what I did last year. I also did Christmas in July, and I even did a 13 days of Halloween. So lots of little projects. And then what I thought I had settled on was doing like my 10 favorite free patterns to make as gifts. I decided I was going to do that, and then I started making a list, and I have 14 items that I want to share with you. So it's like 10 sections. I wish I had one of everything to show you like on camera. But some of them I've either gifted already, or I literally can't find them, or maybe I sold them. So I gathered what I could, and also I will link everything I'm going to talk about. I have a video for already. So definitely make sure you check out the rest of the marathon, but then you can go back and I will have the video link for every project in the description of this video, as my dad would say, down below. Leave a comment. Anyways, it's been a lot of recording lately. Okay, the first project I want to share is one I did in the 13 days of Christmas this year. It is the raccoon eyeglass case. Again, these are all free patterns. But it is so cute. I definitely want to make some more of these as gifts because I think I might keep this one. Maybe. We'll see. Probably. So that's the raccoon eyeglass case. It is a pattern from Pink Pony Designs. And then a boxy bag. So this is part of 13 Days of Christmas this year also. There are so many tutorials for these. They're pretty darn simple to make. So this one I made is lined, and there are no raw seams. So all the seams are enclosed. Some you will find have a raw seam, and I do think they are quicker to make, but the finished result is not as good. So there's no like designer for this one. Just you can find your favorite tutorial. If mine isn't your favorite, I understand. But I will link my video for that. All right, one of my favorites. I've made a lot of these. I've gifted quite a few, and I might gift some more this year too. The car trash can from Wormino. Super simple and highly functionable. Functionable, either way. So again, this is a free pattern from Wormino. It is really nice for showing off a print, and it's a really nice accessory for a car. I used the new Renew canvas from Wormino for this. I generally use waterproof canvas. You can get that at Walmart. I don't know what other stores carry it, but I generally buy it from Fabric Wholesale Direct. And not to be gross, but one of my children left a apple juice bottle with the lid not all the way on in it, and I did not know until I took it out to clean it an undisclosed amount of time later. But I was able to wash it off of the waterproof canvas, and it's fine. So I know my friend Beth said, please don't throw trash in it, just flowers and chocolate. But they do come clean. So the car trash can from Mormino. Right, 3 down. The next one is the infinity scarf with a hidden zipper pocket. It is a free tutorial from Patterns for Pirates. I just made it, excuse me, and I don't know where it is. I recall my daughter putting it on and wearing it out of my office, but I just asked her where it is, and she said she doesn't know. So it's really cute. I generally make it out of flannel, and then I'll put like a cute cotton woven print on the inside, and I use the pre-made zippers. I just buy a big old random assortment color pack on Amazon and use them in that. So I will link my video for that. Another item that walked away on my daughter's head is scrunchies. I did scrunchies as a video for Christmas in July when I just did a quick 5-day video series. It's really easy to make, and you can make a lot of them quickly. So I think I might make a couple of those as gifts this year too. But that is my number 5. All right, number 6. I have a double here. Oh, you know what's so funny? I actually don't have that many because I wrote something twice. Who am I? All right, I know what we'll do. There's one I'm going to say it instead, and I don't have it up here. Okay, so for number 6, key fobs and lanyards. So here is a lanyard that I made in the 13 days of Christmas this year. Super quick, super simple. The key fob is just as quick. However, if you don't have the key fob hardware, this is easier. I'm not sure if they sell the key fob hardware like at Joann's now. They might, but they sell like clips like this at Walmart and Joann's and similar stores. And if you have enough time, you can get the key fob hardware, any of the other hardware on Amazon in a pinch. So this is my lanyard I made. Okay. Number 7, pillowcases. So for Christmas in July, Thea's my daughter, we made a pillowcase. I taught her how to sew on her pink sewing machine, and that's what we made. I have gifted, I'm sorry, I'm so tired. I've been doing so much. I have gifted so many pillowcases. I used to make them all the time when I was like first getting into sewing. And you know what? We're going to group this one too. I don't have it up here, but you can make a blanket. So that is a free pattern. You could go real simple. You could take one piece of like blanket material as long as the front and back is nice, and you could just fold the edges over and hem it. Or you could do like I did in my video in this recent Christmas series, and you could sew 2 pieces of blanket material together and make a double-sided blanket. All right, so that was my number 7. It's gonna end up being like 15 total. It's fine. Okay, my number 8 is for cats. If you don't have cats, or you aren't gifting someone with cats, it might not, might not be there, but that's fine. All right, so catnip kickers. I have a video on these. This one is a little odd shaped compared to what I normally make, but they have polyfill and catnip in them, and I like to finish them with ribbons. You can finish them with feathers. I've taken feather boas and cut a section, or you could do nothing. Some cats are destroyers of feathers and ribbons, and it isn't completely safe for them if they just eat them. So catnip kicker. And then another free cat item is my refillable catnip mat. So I have a video tutorial for this as well. I love making these. There is a Velcro opening, so you can put catnip in whenever you want, however much you want, and you can try to dump it out as best as possible if you need to wash it. So there is my refillable. catnip mat. Okay, number 9 is for the nerdy gamer folks that you know. I am one, I can say it. All right, so we have a dice bag. So this is a drawstring dice bag. I have a video for this, and it is just circles. So no pattern required. So there's the dice bag. And then last year for the 13 days of Christmas, I did a dice tray. I just used vinyl and then some snaps so it lays flat, but it also folds up to turn into a tray. That was a lot of fun. I gifted it to my dad and he loves it. Okay, we're on number 10. All right, so these are the cozies. Cozies. Here is a reversible cup cozy. So it velcros on and it can be switched. And I just did a video for this year in my 13 days of Christmas. And then last year in my 13 days of Christmas, I did bowl cozies. So it holds like a bowl for hot or cold. I know some people said they use them when they're eating ice cream because it's too cold. And then others use it because they microwaved food and their bowl is too warm. If you're going to make that, make sure you use all cotton materials if you're going to put it into the microwave. Like my suggestion is just don't put it in the microwave when in doubt. All right, so there are all my items. We've got the raccoon eyeglass case, a boxy bag, car trash can, the infinity scarf with the hidden pocket, scrunchies, key fobs and lanyards, pillowcases and blankets, catnip kickers and refillable catnip mats, dice bags, dice trays, and the bowl and cup cozies. I really wish I had one of everything to show you, but alas, I don't. I could keep going on. There are so many gifts. And then, you know, I even thought like under $5 patterns, but we're going to go just with free. So if you need budget friendly gifts, I want to say, other than the key fob and the lanyard, nothing needs hardware. So you can make, the eyeglass case needs a zipper, and so does the boxy bag, but no serious hardware. These are all relatively inexpensive projects to make. The most expensive one is going to be the blanket. It's going to depend on what material you use and how much it cost. I hope you check out the rest of today's marathon. I hope this helped if you needed some ideas for gifts to make and give, and I hope you have an amazing holiday season. Bye.